Ever wondered what the difference between Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash is? Let's dive into the world of digital currencies, where Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash are two of the most renowned players. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrency, paved the way for numerous digital currencies, including Bitcoin Cash, which, interestingly, is a direct fork of Bitcoin itself. This means it was born out of Bitcoin, inheriting many of its features. So at a glance, they may seem very similar. But are they? Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, has been the standard in the digital currency world. As the pioneering force in the cryptocurrency space, Bitcoin introduced several key features that have since shaped the world of digital finance. One of the most significant is its limited supply. With only 21 million coins ever to be mined, Bitcoin fostered a sense of scarcity, which has been a major factor in its value appreciation. The process of mining is another unique aspect of Bitcoin. Miners use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems, rewarding them with a certain amount of Bitcoin for their efforts. This incentivizes the maintenance and security of the Bitcoin network. Transaction speed has been a bit of a double-edged sword for Bitcoin. While it can process transactions relatively quickly compared to traditional financial systems, it's not as fast as some newer cryptocurrencies. These features have contributed to Bitcoin's popularity, making it the most valued and recognized digital currency. Bitcoin has set the bar high, but how does Bitcoin Cash measure up? Bitcoin Cash, despite its name, is not just a copy of Bitcoin. This young contender to the cryptocurrency throne emerged in the summer of 2017. Born out of a desire to address some of the perceived limitations of its older sibling, Bitcoin. You see, as Bitcoin grew in popularity, its original blockchain design started showing signs of strain, struggling with slower transaction speeds and higher transaction fees. Enter Bitcoin Cash, the new kid on the block, with a solution. By increasing the block size from 1 megabyte to 8, it aimed to accelerate transaction speeds and cut down on those pesky fees. Bitcoin Cash was like a breath of fresh air, bringing a promise of a faster, cheaper digital currency. But like all new kids on the block, Bitcoin Cash also faced its share of challenges. From gaining acceptance to maintaining its value, the journey hasn't been a cakewalk. Bitcoin Cash has made some notable improvements, but it also has its own set of challenges. So, Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, which one should you choose? The answer lies in your specific needs. Bitcoin, the pioneer, offers stability and widespread acceptance. Bitcoin Cash, on the other hand, touts faster transaction speeds and lower fees. Both share the same vision of decentralized digital money, but they follow different paths to get there. Your choice should align with your individual preferences and priorities. Whether you choose Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash, remember, cryptocurrencies are a volatile and risky investment. Always do your research before diving in.